sisethokoza extension 2 ground namhlanje se-extension 2 ground ke kudlala i-tournament kaThabiso Tenyana Easter tournament that's no chairman umuntu orepresenta ke ithokoza LFA kuthiwa kunjani namhlanje ngicela usintroduce abaningi abakwazi so sikwazi ukuthi namhlanje kwenzakalani la eground
which is the tournament. This tournament is going to Marcellus Sky. And likely it's going to Tony Sport. Which is in terms of Kenya. So if we can check what is happening sharp, even now sharp. And if you can check what of like about
I've seen ukuthi namaplayer aphuma la ethokoza adlala wena ubona kwakho ukuthi la ethokoza ukuthi ibhola lethu limnandi njengokubona ukuthi abantu bayathanda ibhola mara abekho baningi abantu ne-support ikhona bathini nje ukuthi abantu basupport ibhola because Sibonga kakhulu chairman machairman ngicela ukuthi nje utshela abantu ukuthi abangezanga ubatshela ukuthi nje yini ababosa abamisayo la eground
no bafethu mina ngithanda ukuthi ngiyabonga hayi mama ezana uphusile Thabiso Tenyana split